How did you feel when you arrived in Spain?
To be honest, I was shocked by the buildings, by the culture, and also by the weather, because I thought it would be very cold, and I wasn't prepared by it. I wasn't prepared to the weather. I brought some jeans, some sweatshirt, and yeah, it is so hot to this day. And
What did you learn here in your internship? Do you think this has helped you?
yes, for sure, I've learned a lot about ecology, biology, chemistry. We've visited, for example, this laboratory, and I've gained a lot of experience with Spanish language. I've also met a lot of funny people. They've taught me new words, and it was amazing.
Would you recommend this experience to other students?
For sure, yes.
And do you have a special memory?
My special memory is meeting Victor. It's a student from Granada School. He was an amazing guy. I will remember him for my entire life.
That's super nice. And what do you think about Almería as a Erasmus Plus destination?
I think it's a very great destination because Almería is a great city, and it has a great culture, and also people in Almería are very nice, talkative. We have a lot of common with them.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thanks.